you join me in the bathroom where we'll do another how to fix something in your house video. This time a Mira Agile shower. We need to replace the cartridge on it because the shower doesn't actually turn off just now. It started off just dripping all the time, so we had to put this down there to stop it dripping so we could sleep. But now it's not dripping, it just doesn't turn off, which is partly my fault because I took this cartridge out to try and fix it. So this bit just pops off. Find this boy, small Allen key. Put that in there and unscrew. See in there? Unscrew that wee screw. Nope, not out yet. That's it. Unscrew that, put it down there. Then we need to take this big nut off. So, big shifting spanner is the man for that one. Then undo this nut. Take that off. Put it down there. Then we need to put this piece back on. Oh sugar, nearly went down the drain. So we're putting this guy back on. And then take this, pull it. He's in there tight. Let's tighten that screw up a bit more. I didn't do it this way before, and I'm wondering if that's maybe why we had some trouble. In fact, I'm just going to take this off as well because I had to do an emergency fix on it. To stop it leaking, so it might pee loads of water out now. Good emergency fix here. Highly recommend. So a bit from a Nintendo Switch there to stop the water coming out. Let's just try it the way I did it before. Take the screw out. And then I just screwed the screw back in like that. So the way that it says to do it doesn't really work. And then use the pliers to pull that out, but it's not coming now. There we go. Take that out. And we'll have a look here at the new one. So it's a bit different because the new one's got a red bit. Hopefully that doesn't matter. I'm sure we'll soon see. Now, this has got like some locating pins on it here. These little sticky out bits will only go in that way in this little nub here. I don't know if you can see it. That wee nub bit needs to be sticking out the bottom, or at that bottom corner. Then it should push in like that. And then put the nut back in. Tighten that up. Good. Put this bit back on. This bit. And make sure it's in the, it says make sure it's in the off position when you tighten this up. So that bit's in the off position, and then just tighten that up. Put this bit back on. Cross your fingers. Let's go and see if it works. 6.5 minutes. Right, let's go and turn the water back on and see what happens. Right, so the water's back on. So now the moment of truth. Let's just put this back on, actually. That was off. Because I had to jam that shut because I couldn't get the water to go off before. I'll just tighten that up a wee bit with this. Will it work? It's in the off position. No drips. Well, a little drip. I'm not sure why that is. We're cooking with gas for that. What's the air? Nice and hot. So tight now. It's chilly. Here's level on number 7. Perfect. Take that one. And off. Perfect. So that's how to replace the mixer, what's it called? Mixer cartridge in your Mira Agile shower. See you in the next one. Bye.